Okay, OpenAI just dropped tasks for ChatGPT. And I know what you're thinking, but no, this is not another reminders app. What this actually is OpenAI's first official step towards releasing an agentic product. And that alone makes it a big deal. So in this short video, I'm going to explain to you what I mean by agentic, how tasks work, and my opinion on it. And I've been playing with it for the last day. It's promising. I'd say it's a good first step. As the famous astronaut Ed Baldwin once said, this is one small step for OpenAI and one giant leap for major AI players releasing agents in 2025. So first of all, what are agents? Like many definitions in the AI world, this is disputed. But in short, AI agents have the ability to perform tasks on our behalf without explicit directions. For example, a theoretical AI agent can react to changes in the stock market by reading an article, then deciding to sell stocks and buy different stocks. Now that may be a very basic example, but the point here is that it does it all on its own without being guided. Another example could be to perform a search at the same time every day and then to send you the search results. And that could be actually very useful if you're doing the same searches every day. Now, some nitpickers might say that's not an agent, that's a workflow, because it's pretty much a predefined task. But I'm not here to debate definitions. Either way, that's what tasks in ChatGPT can do. And the basic idea is super simple. You tell ChatGPT to do something at a specific time and it'll do it. You want a weather report done every morning at 11 a.m.? Done. You need AI news updates at specific times? You got it. And in this case, it could actually use all of ChatGPT's features. Well, not all of them, but some of them, including web search, which by the way is now my favorite ChatGPT feature. Sorry, perplexity. So let me just show you how this works. So you go into ChatGPT and you select the tasks model, and you can just create a task using natural language, no fancy coding. And these will show up to you in notifications on your iPhone or Android, on your computer, which hasn't yet worked for me, or on the web. And by the way, you can set these as one-time things or make them recurring like daily, weekly, monthly, whatever you need. And one thing I've noticed is that tasks run in the context of the original chat. Meaning if you're having a conversation about something specific and then you set up a task, it remembers that whole context when it runs later. And also, whenever that task runs, it will run within the same original conversation. So I'm just going to show it to you really quickly. So let's just make a basic conversation and talk about getting enough protein daily. I'm going to tell it, I'm trying to make sure I get enough protein every day. I'm a 36-year-old man and weigh around 160 pounds. When I don't feel like I've eaten enough protein, I'll drink a Fairlife. Not sponsored by Fairlife, but these are awesome. Okay, so let's just share that with that for context. So now I'm going to tell it, can you remind me every day at 11:30 p.m. to make sure I've had enough protein and remind me how I can make up for what I'm missing if I'm low. Okay, it's 11:30. Let's see. So the notification didn't work on my phone. Let's see what happens to ChatGPT. Okay. Now in the conversation, it says make sure you've had enough protein today. If you're low, you can make up for having a protein-rich snack like a Fairlife protein shake, which I told you I did before, Greek yogurt, and a handful of nuts, hard-boiled eggs, or a scoop of protein powder mixed with water or milk. So it's supposed to send you push notifications to your phone. I did get it to my email. I just got it at 11:30. Make sure you have enough protein today. And then I can just click the message and it will take me to ChatGPT. So the email notifications are working. And I have gotten certain notifications on my iPhone, but as we saw here, it didn't work. Let's try one more. We're going to start a new chat and here's the context. What's going on with the fires in LA? Are there active fires in Culver City? I have family in Culver City and I'm worried about them. Can you update me every day at 11:35 p.m. with the latest news and updates? Use web search to check evacuation zones. So it's 11:35. So let's just open up our chat here. Okay, so in this case, it didn't work. Didn't send notification, didn't update here. So that's my next point. What I'm getting at is this feature's in beta and you can tell. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes you get the message right away, sometimes it's delayed. Sometimes the information that comes in is great, sometimes it doesn't make sense. So let's just call it what it is, it's a beta. Despite all that, I'm still pretty excited about this. And that's because it's OpenAI's first real step towards agentic AI. And they're working on this thing called the Operator Project, which is supposed to be an AI that can control your browser and do stuff for you, kind of like Anthropic's computer use, which I did a video on, or like Google's Project Mariner. And the way I see it is that tasks is kind of like a baby step towards that agentic future. And right now we're using ChatGPT just for conversations, but with tasks, it's starting to kind of actually do things on its own. Yeah, there's simple things right now, but this is just the beginning. And what's really interesting here is how this might connect with other features down the line. Imagine combining this with ChatGPT's memory, or O1, or advanced voice mode, or Sora. Now, is this feature groundbreaking on its own? Not really. I mean, you could probably code something similar yourself pretty easily, and I've been doing just that with Crew AI for almost the last year. Either way, that's not really the point. It's about where this is heading. We're slowly moving towards AI, that can actually take actions on our behalf, not just chat with us. If you have access to tasks, let me know how you're using it. Drop a comment below with your use cases, and also if you have any ideas you want me to try out. If you haven't done so already, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be covering more AI updates as they happen, giving tutorials and showing you how to use AI in your daily life. Thank you for watching and have a great day.